How to read Instagram messages without being seen. There are several methods for reading Instagram messages without marking them as seen. For the most straightforward and permanent solution, you can now turn off your read receipts for all or individual chats. This method works for all chats and is the most reliable way to prevent the sender from seeing when you have viewed their message. First of all, navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture on the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You section and tap Messages and Story Replies. Tap Show Read Receipts. Toggle the Read Receipts option off. The second step or the second solution can be restrict the sender. If you only need to read a message from one person discreetly, you can restrict their account. Their new messages will go into your message request folder where you can view them without generating a seen receipt. To do that, go to the profile of the person who sent the message. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, tap Restrict, and after reading the message from your message request, you can go back to their profile and tap Unrestrict. The third solution can be view messages from notifications. This simple method allows you to read a new message as a preview, but it may not show you the entire conversation. Ensure you have Instagram notifications enabled on your phone. When a message arrives, read it directly from your phone's lock screen or notification panel. Be careful not to tap the notification, as this will open the chat and send a read receipt icon. The fourth solution can be used the airplane mode method. For reading an entire conversation discreetly, this method requires you to disconnect from the internet before opening the chat. First of all, wait for the new message to appear on your inbox, but do not open it. Turn on airplane mode to disconnect your device from Wi-Fi and cellular data. Open the Instagram app and read the message. Then log out your Instagram account while still in airplane mode. Close the app and turn off airplane mode. Log back into Instagram and the chat should still appear unread to the sender. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel.